How to check in locked items in Joomla. This tutorial assumes you are already logged into your Joomla admin panel. While a user is editing a file, the status is changed to checked out. Only the user who checked out the file can edit it until it is checked back in. This prevents two users from editing the same file at the same time, which prevents the loss of data when saving. However, sometimes there may be a connection error, such as when the user presses the back button on their browser before saving their changes. The item will remain checked out and won't allow anyone to edit it. In this case, a super administrator can use the Global Checkin feature to unlock all locked articles across the website. Let's see what a locked article looks like. Click Extensions and go to Plugin Manager. Locked items will have this padlock next to them. Let's check in all locked items now. Go to Tools. Then click Global Checkin. All items that were locked will have a green check mark. Let's go back to the item that was locked. Notice there is no longer a padlock next to the item, which means that it is unlocked and can be edited. That's it! You now know how to check in locked items in Joomla.